To set up and use Smart Connect in Motorola Signature, first of all, you will need to get on the device that you want to connect your Motorola Smart Connect with. So in this case, I'll be using my PC. So right here we need to open the Microsoft Store, and inside we'll be looking for an app called Smart Connect. It's this app right here. You will need to install it and then click on Open. From here, it may ask for an update, so in this case, I'm actually gonna do it later. So I'm just gonna click Remind Later, and after that, you will need to log in. So make sure that you are logged into your account, and from here, we can click on this plus button, and then start pairing our device. So let's move on to my Motorola right here. Let's go to the settings. Then we can scroll down and look for the connected devices and Smart Connect right here. Click on Add Device, then select a PC. You can also use the QR code and then instantly scan the QR code that is showing up on your desktop PC. But in this case, we're going to click on PC and continue pairing. And from here, we can do the wireless option, which shows your camera. All you have to do is grab your phone and scan the QR code that you see on your screen in your PC. Or just connect a cable with your PC. That way it should always work with your phone as well. So in this case, I'm gonna grab my phone and then scan the QR code on the screen. So as you can see, the PC is paired, and now we can go back to it. Select our phone in this list, and then we can use it as mobile desktop, the phone on PC, webcam, transfer files, use a hotspot, transfer things from the clipboard, use the cross control, or access the Share app. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.